Hi, my name is Bella Ortiz, and this summer I had the honor of working for TJX companies in their corporate office in Framington, Massachusetts. I worked alongside the planning and allocation team for the D45 Florals division within Home Goods. On a day-to-day basis, I would assist the team's analysts with reviewing recent sales data and trends and visiting stores to ensure that our mix was proper and that our shipping strategy was working, and if not, coming up with creative solutions for it. I think one of the best parts of my internship was all the people I got to meet along the way, and some I even got to explore the city of Boston with. I found this internship on Handshake around late October, and within a week I had scheduled my first interview. I had 2 interviews that followed that, and by Thanksgiving I had been offered the position. My best advice for an internship like this is to really put yourself out there and try to build connections with the people who could one day mentor you.